Hi everyone, in today's video we will solve this C program. So the output of this program is the correct answer is B. It will print the C, which is just this part only. But you know what, this will give this output, but while compiling we will also get one warning. The warning will be like you're trying to assign a larger string than the actual size. The size is 5, but here the length is 3 4 5 6 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15, and let's say 16. Actually if you want to store everything we need 16. The size of array should be 16, then only you will store. Why 16, why not 15? Because we need one more character to store the null character. So before I will explain, we will play around this. I will explain you why it is printing the C, and I have already explained, but we will cover a few more points. But before that, let's compile this program, and we'll compile this on GCC using GCC on Linux operating system. So for that, what I will do is I will create a directory. I'll go inside this directory using cd command, and by making use of vi I will create a file main.c. So here if you see here, this is the empty file. If I want to start typing, I have to press I from the keyboard. Once I press the I, you will see an insert message here. After that you can start typing, or if you want you can also do paste. We will do paste here because we have already copied the program from the website, and the header file is missing from this code. We will include the header file, and I will save it by pressing escape shift semicolon WQ, and let's compile this code. I'll make use of GCC as I mentioned earlier, main.c, and basically this command will just produce a default binary that is a.out, but if I want to specify some meaningful name, then I will just make use of -o, and we'll give it name, some binary name as main.out. You can give it any name, or even you can give without extension as well. So you see here we got we got warning that it's too long. The string which you are trying to initialize is too long. This is warning, this is not error. That means our binary is created. You see, if I do dir, I can see there is a the binary name with main. And how to make sure this is binary? I can make use of file command and then pass the binary name. You see here, you will see, if you see this, you will see one message here, executable. That means it is binary file, and it is compiled using 64-bit compiler. So we will not talk more about this. I will just run this file. So it is mixing. We can ignore this part. So it is printing basically the C. Why? Because the C has 5 characters. 1 2 3 4 5. That's why. So the array is of size 5. That's why it is capable of storing only 5 characters. That's why storing 5 only. And after printing it, I can, if I want to make it better, then I can do /n here, so that we don't see it mixing with the command line message. So let me save it and run it, compile it one more time. We got the error, and now if I run this, you see this, the C. So how to fix this? If I want to print everything, whatever I'm trying to initialize, the one better option is to remove the size from here. Whatever is the size, compiler will calculate it and then assign there. And if I save it and then compile it again and then run it, you will see a complete message. So this is the difference. If you're not sure, or it's good practice or to always give, if you are explicitly giving size, then the size should be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So there are 15 characters, but as a good practice you should always reserve one character for null terminate the string. So I will make it 16. So if I make it 16 and compile it again and then run, the output would be same. Now what happens if I make it 15 exact? So 15 program will work, but it's not good practice, because if you are writing big project and if you want to check for the null in this string, then you will not find null. Let's make it 15 and then compile it again. No warning, no error. It will give the same output, but it's not good practice. So the good practice is to either give 16 here or don't give anything. Compiler will calculate the size. So this is what I wanted to explain in this video. If you have any suggestion or feedback, then you can add your comment in the comment box. Thanks for watching it.